Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and Valentine's Day is around the corner, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple of tips and gift ideas so that you can buy the perfect gift for your loved one. Now if you're watching this video before Valentine's Day, kudos to you, and even if you're watching this video after Valentine's Day, I mean, you can always use this guide for the next Valentine's Day, which means you're actually going to have a year to understand and be able to buy the best gift possible for your loved one. Now if you like this video, by the end of this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and obviously if you're not already part of the subscriber crew, make sure you hit the subscriber button, which should be, I always get this wrong somewhere, but this time I'm gonna get it right. Hit the subscription button, red button down there somewhere, and you will be able to actually get notification if you click the notification button when I upload a video. So the simplest gift that you can actually give to your loved one is a voucher. Now I understand that most online resellers actually have vouchers, and that includes Take a Lot. I've actually have vouchers from Take a Lot that I'm currently giving away right now. Go check that video, it's one of my previous video, and follow the instructions on that video. Now also iStores a Day give out voucher. I know Dion Wired also give out voucher. Now with the voucher, the person that you're giving this voucher to would have more options in terms of what they would buy, because you're not buying a specific product that they are stuck to and have to actually just get it because it's a gift that you actually giving them. Now the other option, which I actually hardly recommend, is you taking the person that you're actually thinking of giving them a gift and just go out there and go actually shop that gift with them. So actually it's much better than you actually trying to guess what this person wants from you, and you can actually just be in store with the person and let them choose what they want. Now this option would be the most expensive option, because obviously you're getting the person there and they'll get to pick whatever they want to pick, and you are just there basically to pay for it. Now in terms of specific product recommendation, I would recommend 3 product. Actually, one of them is a product category. Now, if you actually don't have a set limited budget, you can offer your loved one a MacBook Pro, which I actually just go to one, the MacBook Pro 13-inch without touch bar. That's actually the one that will cost you less and will give you the best of the performances. Now they will actually love that computer because it handles as well as the high-end laptop in that category. The second one would be getting accessory. Now you can actually look at what the person that you're getting the gift for is using right now and get them accessory for those actual devices. As you can see, I have the Apple Watch 4th generation. For somebody like me, I would actually love if somebody came and gave me an Apple Watch, maybe band, or an Apple Watch cover for those clumsy people that I know. Or you can actually get them power banks for them to use either with their brand new MacBook Pro, or even just to use with their current mobile devices. That's actually also a plus, and it's something that I personally wouldn't mind getting. And last but not least, I would actually really recommend, if this person is obviously in the Apple ecosystem, get them an AirPod, a set of AirPod. That's actually the best gift idea, and that's actually one of Apple's most sold product or accessory up to now, unless that has changed. This is the last time I checked, but they will actually love those because of how seamlessly they connect to the Apple device, and also because it's something that is really popular right now. So this will be it for this video. I really hope this was of any help to you guys, and now you actually have a minimum idea of what you can actually buy for your loved one this Valentine's week or Valentine's Day. Now if you like this video, as I mentioned in the beginning, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and as I also mentioned, I have a giveaway running right now on the channel. You're gonna have to go and look for the video. I think it's the previous 2 videos down the line, and make sure you follow the instructions on that video for you to be able to qualify for the giveaway. And I will, I guess, check you guys on my next video, which should be coming out pretty soon. Peace.